Hey everybody, it's KD0FNR. Hey, I wanted to show you the Project TouCans CW practice app is not optimized at all for desktop PCs, but you can still use it on a desktop, and here's how. In a Chrome browser, press F12 to get into the developer mode, and when you're in the developer mode, what you're going to see is this little button here. It looks like a desktop screen with a phone screen in front of it, and if you click on that, that pops you into phone mode. And things are going to look wonky at first. That's okay. Go ahead and hit refresh. And now what it's doing is your desktop is emulating the display on a phone. And so I'm going to choose a channel. I'm going to go ahead and hit unmute and then call, send my call sign. And I was doing that just with mouse clicks. So again, just kind of summarizing how if you want to use this on a desktop rather than your phone, you totally can. Just click F12, get into developer mode, and then click on the phone versus desktop screen emulator and hit refresh. Okay, 72s everybody's KD0FNR.
Dun 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 toucan radios!
Woo!